Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiandra Oriana, and today I will be showing you how to properly cut a bob wig. The video before this, I showed myself cutting a bob wig, but it was hella uneven. So today I'm gonna show y'all how to properly do it. This wig is from Unice, however y'all pronounce it. This is where it's from. This is off of their Amazon site. The company said that it's the same as their website, but yeah, this is from the Amazon website. And as you can see, I straightened the hair. I haven't washed it. It was super soft straight out of the packaging, but it's just too thin for my liking. Like, the ends are so thin. The color is very cute though, but it was just too thin. So I got my scissors and my razor. I don't have shears, but you could get shears from your local beauty supply store. And I just got this Wall brand razor. You can get that from Walmart or Amazon. Pretty much anywhere. You really don't have to go too crazy on the clippers because you're only going to use the clippers just to clean up the hair. So yeah, I just wasn't feeling how thin it was, so I decided let me cut it into a bob. It would be so cute if it was a colored bob, and that's what I'm going to do. Towards the end, you'll see that I did end up going a little shorter, but I don't like to cut off too much right away because when I'm cleaning it up, I end up cutting a little more off. But you know, it's your preference. You can cut, you know, more off with the scissors and then just clean up, but I personally like to do it a little longer and then go a little shorter when I'm cleaning it up. So that is all I'm doing. I'm just cutting off, you know, the hair. That's it. Definitely make sure you straighten your hair before you cut it into a bob. I find it so much beneficial to straighten the hair before cutting it into a bob, because when it's straightened, you could really see what you're cutting off. Like, you don't know what you're really cutting off if the hair is like wavy or like, you know, not straight. So yeah, you can do it. You see, actually that's not even straight. Like, you see, I'm not even cutting like a straight across line. Because I'm just gonna end up cleaning up with the clippers. Y'all don't mind my braids. I just did them, so they fresh, so y'all really can't come at me, but I didn't realize that I was in the frame a lot when I was cutting it, so yeah, don't mind that. So yeah, quick details on this wig. This is their brown highlighted unit. It was 16 inches and it's a 13 by 4, but like I said, I'm cutting it into a bob because it was just too thin for my liking. And right there, as you can see, I got the clippers out, and this is what I'm gonna do to clean up the hair, because you could just use scissors, but I learned that just using scissors makes it look very uneven. Like, when you turn your head to the side, like, it looks nice at first, but when you turn your head to the side, like, you'll see how uneven that is, and that's not cute. That's really ugly and not cute. My last bob wig that I did, I could only pull it to the front because it was just so noticeable that it was uneven in the back. And when you have the clippers, you want to take your time with this one, because you can end up cutting a little too much off, and then you're gonna have to go shorter and shorter with your bob. Like, it's gonna look like it's, I don't know, it's gonna look like a pixie cut soon. So just make sure you take your time with this. Like, you know, once you get the hang of your clippers, then you can go at your pace. But like I said, if you're a beginner, please take your time with this, because you will end up cutting a little too much of the hair off. So be mindful of that, because with a wig, you can't grow it back. Like, that's it, you can't grow that back. Whether it's for your clients or yourself, invest in some clippers. I'm telling you, you don't have to go super expensive with them. Like, it makes such a difference when you clean it up with the clippers, because it doesn't look so choppy. Like, I'm telling you, that choppy look is not cute. It's really noticeable too. Like, you can definitely tell that in the back how uneven it is. So get you some clippers. Like, it really helps. And after I cut some of the hair off, I always go through it with a rat tooth comb, like a, you know, a fine tooth comb, because that just sets it in place to see what's uneven from the rest. Alright, so next I'm going to take my favorite flat iron. This is the Baby Bliss Pro titanium flat iron. It is a really good flat iron. It gets your hair super pressed with at least one passing, 2 at most, but it gets it very pressed and it heats up very quickly. I got my Chi Silk Infusion. This is the holy grail. I love using this when I'm straightening hair or curling hair. It always keeps it soft and silky. But like I said earlier, I will give credit to the hair. It was super soft straight out of the packaging. I didn't even wash this hair. I literally took it out of the packaging, started cutting it, and it was super soft. It didn't have any kind of stink hair smell that wigs usually be having with it. Alright, so now I'm at the front of the head, and after I straighten that, I'm going to put it on my mannequin head and basically get her to look all cute because I'm going to take pictures. Of course, I'm taking pictures, you know, definitely got to promote my brand. Follow me on my hair page right there. It's on the screen, Oriana Styles. And yeah, I love using my little mannequin head to showcase my work because she's cute. Alright, so I'm just giving y'all like a side view to show y'all that the wig is not uneven. She is cute. I hope that this video was informational for y'all compared to the last one. It was super easy. I hope y'all give it a try. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, linked down below. Also, if you are interested in this hair, I will leave every detail down below in the description box. Look out for the video of me installing this wig because I will be installing this wig, so that'll be like the next video. And I hope that y'all enjoyed. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.